Hello children, welcome to Pragati School channel. SSLC, Mathematics, Arithmetic Progression, topic sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. In our previous videos, we have seen different varieties of problems. Now in this video, we are going to solve some more problems of different varieties. Now the first problem. The problem is like this. If the sum of n terms of AP is 4n minus n square, they have given the nth term. Sum of n term 4n minus n square. What is the first term? That is A. What is the sum of two terms? S2. What is the second term? A2. Similarly, find third term A3, 10th term A10, nth term An. So, let us read the problem. If the sum of n terms of AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? What is the sum of two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find third term, 10th term and nth term. So many problems are there included in the problem. Okay. Now, let us try to solve this problem. So, first they have given sum to n terms of AP is 4n minus n square. Sum to n terms. So, let us solve now. Sn equal to sum to n terms is 4n minus n square. This is the formula they have given. Now, we want first term. First term is nothing but sum to one term. It is nothing but the first term. Okay, that means 4, n value is 1. 4 into 1 minus 1 square equal to 4 ones are 4 minus 1 square is 1. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. That means first term is 3. This is nothing but sum of one term. Sum of one term is same as first term. Now, the next we have got first term next. What is sum of two terms? That means S2. Sum of two terms. We use this formula. 4 into n value is 2. 4n minus n square. It is 2 square. 4 into 2, 8 minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 2 square is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. That means S2 equal to 4. First term is 3. Sum of two terms is 4. Next, what we want? What is the second term? To find the second term, we should know what is the common difference. We know the first term. For the first term, if you add common difference, you will get second term. So, how to find second term now? See, S2 is second term, sum of two terms. Is it? What is the value of sum of two terms? Sum of two terms is 4. Okay. In that, sum of two terms is nothing but first term plus second term. Sum of two terms means this is first term, this is second term. Now, sum of two terms value we have got 4 equal to, what is the value of A? 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus D value. 4 equal to 6 plus D. 4 minus 6 equal to D. So, therefore, D value is minus 2. Please check how we have got d value. Now after finding d value, you can find second term, third term, 10th term, any number of terms. Now, how to find the second term? What is the formula for the second term? We have the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know this formula very well. We want second term a2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1 is 1 only, a plus d. A plus d. So, a2 equal to, what is the value of a? It is 3 plus the value of d minus 2. So, when you simplify these two, second term equal to 3 plus into minus is minus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. So, the second term is 1. Check how you have got the second term. Next, what is the second term? Next, similarly, find the third term. Third term, a3 equal to a plus 2d. a3 equal to a value, it is 3 plus 2 into d value is minus 2. a3 equal to 3 plus multiply by minus, minus 2 2s are 4. So, a3 value is minus 1. Check how we have got minus 1 now. We have got a2 value and we have got a3 value. So, the next one is 10th term. That means a10 equal to a plus 9d. a10 equal to a value 3 plus 9 into d value minus 2. a10 equal to 3 plus into minus, minus 18. So, a10 value is minus 15. Like this we can find any number. Okay. Now, after this, what is the next one? Find the nth term. Nth term. an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Children, we know the value of a and we know the value of d. Both values will substitute there. An equal to a value is 3 plus n minus 1 into d value is minus 2. an equal to 3 will multiply n minus 1 with minus 2, plus into minus is minus 2n, minus into minus is plus 2. an value equal to 3 plus 2, it is 5 minus 2n. This is the value of an. Now, in this problem, we have solved all the questions, all the things what they have asked. They have asked what is a, first number, sum of two terms. We have to find d, otherwise we can't find these two. a2, a3, a10 and an. Okay children, now we will continue the next problem. Okay. Now, second problem. Show that A1, A2, etc. A1, A2, etc. AN form an AP where AN is defined as AN equal to 3 plus 4n. Also find the sum of 15 terms. The sum of 15 terms. This is the question given. Let us read the question. Show that A1, A2, A3, A4, etc. AN form an AP where AN is defined as AN equal to 3 plus 4n. Also find sum of 15 terms. So we know the formula AN and we'll substitute for that AN. What is the formula? Let us solve now. AN equal to 3 plus 4n. We cannot write any formula that we like because in this formula they have given a specific one. Next, A1 equal to means first number 3 plus 4 into 1, that is equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7. That means first number, what we call A, it is 7. So we got the value A. Next, we take A2. A2 equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. 3 plus 4 2s are 8. That is 11. That means A2 value is 11. See, now we have got the idea. First number 7, second number 11, third number what? How to find? Find common difference. Go on adding common difference, you will get third term, fourth term, 10th term or any term. Now, we have to find the common difference now. How to find the common difference? Just check. Now we have second number and we have first number. So, the common difference D we can find as second number minus first number. D equal to second number is 11, it is here, minus the first number is 7. Therefore, we have got D value. D value is 4. So, we have got A value, we have got D value. So, you can find any value that they will give in this question. Now, what they have given? Find the value of sum of 15 terms. That means Sn equal to, now children, we have learned 3 formulas. Among the 3 formulas, I am going to use only one formula. Why I am using that formula? That you should check it out now. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Hope you have got. We cannot use second formula because that has L. They are not given last number and it is not natural number. Therefore, we use this formula. Now, we want sum of 15 terms. S15 equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into A value is 7 plus n value is 15 minus 1 multiplied by d value is 4. Yes, 15 equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into 7, 14 plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into 4. So, S15 equal to 15 by 2 I will write as it is into 14 plus 14 into 4. 4 4s are 16, carry number 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5, 56. Next, S15 equal to 15 by 2 into, add these two, 56, 60, 70. So, S15 equal to 15 into, we cancel 70 with 2, 35. 35. Can you find the product of these two? 35 and 15? Just multiply and tell me. Write down in your book. What is the value of 15 and 35? 15 5s are 75. 7. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7. 525. So, we have got the sum of 15 terms. Okay, children. Now, we will continue the next problem. Third question. Find the sum of first 40 positive first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. Look at this question, so beautiful. 40 numbers you should write. All should be positive and those numbers must be divisible by 6. So, first let us write integers, positive integers. Which are the positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, etc. We don't want all the numbers. All integers we don't want. Divisible by 6. This is not divisible, not divisible, not divisible. This is divisible. So, the first number is 6. Next number 12. Next number is 12. Next number, you know, for 6, if you add 6, you will get 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Plus etc. How many? 40 terms. Now, the question is condensed in this form. 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 24, etc. 40 terms. We have to find the sum of 40 terms. What is the value of A? 6. D value 6. N value 40. And we want S40 value. We know A, D, N. So we go to first formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, n value 40 equal to 40 by 2 into 2 into, what is a value here? 6 plus n value 40 minus 1 into d value 6. S40 equal to, this is a 20, we simplified. 6 into 2, 12 plus 40 minus 1, 39 multiplied by 6. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply 39 with 6 and that should be added to 12. S40 equal to 20 into 12 plus. So multiply 39 with 6. 9 6 or 6 9s are 54. Carry number 5. 9 3s are 27. 20 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 23. 234. S40 equal to 20 into, add these two, 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2, 246. Multiply by 20. 2 6 12, 2 4 8 plus 1 9, 2 2 4. 4290. This is the value of S40. Okay. Now we'll continue next problem. Fourth problem. Fourth problem. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. This is nothing but from lower class we are learning multiples of 8. We don't understand. If I tell you, say that table 8, immediately you will tell. Same thing, it is table 8 only. 8 plus 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, etc. How many? 15 terms. Let us solve. A equal to 8. D equal to, subtract. So this is 8. N equal to 15. We want sum of 15 terms. Formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute. Yes, n value 15 equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into a value is 8 plus n minus 1, n value is 15 minus 1, d value is also 8. Yes, 15 equal to 15 by 2 into 16, multiply these two, plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 8. You get ready, multiply these two and get ready, children. Yes, 15 equal to 15 by 2 into 16 plus. So you have to multiply 14 and 16. Multiply 14 into 8. 14 into 8. You have to multiply. Multiply those two and keep ready. 4 8s are 32. Carry number 3. 8 1s are 8 plus 3, 11. Next. Yes, 15 equal to 15 by 2 into, we add these two, 112 and 16. 112 and 16 we add. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 1, 2 and 1. 128. 128. Now we have to simplify this. Yes, 15 equal to 15 into, simplify, cancel, 2 6 12, 2 4s are 8. Now multiply 64 with 15. Multiply 64 with 15. 64 multiplied by 15. 15 4s are 60. Carry number 6. 15 6 are 90. 90 plus 6, 96. 960. So yes, 15 value is 960. Okay. Next, same problem, you can solve the same problem, 6 plus 8 plus 24, etc. Same problem you try, children, taking 8 common. Do you remember we have taken one problem, 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. etc. 30 terms. We took already. There what we did, we took 3 common and we used the third formula. Same way, this problem, take 8 common and solve it by third formula. Okay, next problem. Find the sum of odd natural numbers find the sum of odd natural numbers between 0 and 30. 0 and 30. Now, let us write the odd numbers, all odd numbers we don't want. Between 0 and 30. So, first odd number is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. So, here between, okay, this will make it 50. Still big number. Last number, it cannot be 50. Last number, it will be 49 because odd number. Odd number is 49. Please check. From 0 to 50, between these two, we want the odd numbers. Now, A value is 1. D value 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3, it is 2. What is this AN? 49. It is the last term. AN is the last term, or it is called L. It is 49. We want N value, we don't know, and we want sum of these terms, Sn value we want. So to find N value, we use the formula AN. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value is 49 equal to A value 1 plus N value, we don't know, N minus 1 multiplied by D value is 2. 49 equal to 1, we remove the bracket, plus 2n plus minus into plus minus 2. 49 equal to 2n, 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. Next line. Therefore, 49 plus 1 equal to 2n. 2n equal to 50. N equal to 50 by 2. N equal to 25. So, we have got the value n. After finding the value n, we have to find Sn. There are 3 formulas. Among 3 formulas, we go to second formula. Why? I will tell you. Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. L. You can write the first formula and do it. No problem. You will get 100% correct. Okay? You can do it. You try, children. You will get. Yes. N value is 25 equal to 25 by 2 into A value. We have A value 1 plus L 49. S25 equal to 25 by 2 into, when you add these two, you will get 50. 2 ones are 225, sir. So, the value of S25 equal to 25 into 25. So, S25 we know very well, the square numbers, no? 25 into 25, 625 is the sum of these things. So, we have got the value of n and we have got the value of Sn also. Okay, children. Now, with this, we will come to the end of this video. If you have any question, any doubt, you can send message to my number 9916675060. Okay, children. Thank you.